For 6.9, we're going to talk about symmetry. You're going to see this, what we're going to call the kite image, on the files on the website. Do you see how it looks like a kite along these lines? Here, 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 and here. But it's only half of a kite. We're going to finish the kite. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually print out this image. Then you're going to cut along these lines. Watch carefully. This one, that up there and down to there, and then back to the top up there. Okay? Then you're going to take that paper and you're going to fold it in half over the dotted line. So over this dotted line, you're going to fold it in half and trace it on this side so that it matches. This is what we call a mirror image. A mirror image is the same image but flipped, or the opposite, facing it. A kite has symmetry because it can be folded down the middle and both sides are the same. This would be if we were to fold it down the middle. So a shape is symmetric. We would say the word symmetric if it can be folded in half along a line so the two halves match. The fold line is called the line of symmetry. So that yellow line that I did right there, we call is the line of symmetry. The mirror image, which is another word we're going to talk about, mirror image of a design, is the same size and shape as the design, but it faces the opposite direction. So just like we did with this one, we drew the mirror image. Now we're going to take a look at a page from our textbooks. A butterfly has a line of symmetry because once the butterfly folds in half, this one side matches up with this side. So our line of symmetry is right there. The examples they give us in the textbook are letters. If we look at the letter T, these are kind of box letters. V, E, and X, there are lines of symmetry that are already drawn for you. So if I were to fold the T against the one side of the T against the other, down the middle line of symmetry, you would see how it's a mirror image. Now look at the E. E is a little bit different because the line of symmetry doesn't just go from top to bottom. If I go top to bottom, this side would not fold over evenly to this side. So the line of symmetry is in the middle of the E, right there. On this page in our reference book, we see how there are also lines of symmetry in things around us. The flag of Jamaica has symmetry going from top to bottom as well as side to side. The human body has two even sides. Our line of symmetry is through the middle from our head to between our legs. And then it gives us some interesting ways to look at shapes. The ellipse could be folded from there and have a mirror image over there, or along that line. Those dotted lines represent the line of symmetry that the image could be folded on. In your math journal for page 146, it shows you half of a letter for numbers 1 through 4. So the dotted line down the middle is the line of symmetry. Your job is to guess what the letter is and draw the other half of the letter. So you're responsible for drawing the mirror image. These down here are not letters, but they are symmetric shapes. Look at number 8. On number 8, if the bottom half is like this, and it has all those lines, what do you think the top half would look like? Remember, you're drawing the mirror image. So this exactly flipped to there. For your home link, it has you do an activity to see different symmetric shapes that you're going to make. It tells you that you're going to need a sheet of paper. Okay, so you need to fold that paper in half. Follow the steps as it tells you. Cut off the folded corner as this shows us. Before you unfold this, before you unfold it, guess what shape it would be. Then unfold it, and your first question says, what shape is it? It's talking about the piece that you cut off.